So we're going to start with Kris. Kris is a huge bowler. So he is showing up at a bowling alley. He's going to set down his bowling bag. He's going to unzip it. He's going to pull his ball out. And he's going to roll it down the leg. And the pins are made of glass at the other end of it. Fine, just whatever you think those sounds sound like. So we're going to start this now. There you go. And Ty here. Ty is going to, he loves cats. He's a huge cat fan. He's going to pick up a feral cat out of the neighborhood. He's going to bathe it and then trim it. And then style its hair with a blow dryer. So let's go here. These two individuals are meeting at a really unusual location. What's that unusual location?
Ice cream shop.
A car wash. A car wash. Ice cream shop instead of a car wash. So just follow along. Do whatever they need you to do as far as sound effects go. Just pay attention. If you feel like throwing in some of your own, you can do that. We will chastise you. It is your birthday. Your 38th birthday?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Sorry, yes. And then we'll just go from there. So let's start this game in 3, 2, and 1.
You know, some days I really don't like working at the ice cream car wash. I don't either. See, it just starts all by itself! It's like they don't even need us anymore. Machines. You know, the good thing about it though is that we don't have to wash any dishes. We can just take this big tub of dishes, open up this window. Right in this conveyor belt that gets washed in the car wash. It's like a suction conveyor belt that sucks it right through. Nice. Alright, well, you know, we've been working hard. I think we deserve soft serve ice cream cones.
Going around,
I know. I've been licking every cone just to make sure it tastes good.
Alright, I'm gonna go. You go ahead and you get the chocolate.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, go for the swirl. Alright. That's how it's a little more liquidy than mine is.
pneumatic screwdriver right here. It makes sense. It's hand operated. All right. I think that should work now. Let me feel the temperature. That's silent. Let's try it out. Swirl this time. Right here, car. Wait, they do the special. That's a coupon code. We get 50% off and free code. We gotta fix this. Wait, how many coupon codes do they have? You can only use one coupon. Hey, stop that. You know what? I'm giving them the swirl. Alright. Doesn't even work. I'm gonna throw it at their car. Oh, they're pissed. Yeah, wait. It's kind of counterproductive because they're about to go do the car wash, so. That's a good point. We'll get them on the way out there. You're gonna be trapped inside your car. Why don't we play a noisy music? Yeah.